Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock Trouser in Vampire Survivors. First, you need to gain access to the Moongalow bonus stage. To do this, ensure you have unlocked Hyper Mode for at least 4 of the normal stages. Hyper Mode is typically unlocked by defeating the boss that appears after 15 minutes in a stage, which then makes the Hyper version available. Once you can access Moongalow, start a run there. Your goal is to collect all 16 stage items, including both weapons and passive items that are scattered across the map. After collecting them all, a special boss will appear. Defeat this boss to unlock the Great Gospel Relic, which is crucial for the next step in your journey to get Trouser. With the Great Gospel now in your possession, you can enable the Limit Break option in the game's settings. This feature is vital for maximizing your gold earnings. Your primary objective now is to accumulate a massive 1,000,000 gold within a single run on the Moongalow stage. Focus on gold-generating items and characters to achieve this impressive total. After successfully accumulating 1,000,000 gold in a single Moongalow run, Trouser will become available for purchase. Exit your current run and navigate to the character selection screen. You will find Trouser listed there, ready to be bought for a modest sum of 666 gold. Enjoy playing as this unique character and exploring their special abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.